What's going on, everyone? Today's the 10th of July, 2023. Here to talk about Bitcoin Cash today. Just trying to figure out real quick if we're missing any warning signs since the last run up into the market for Bitcoin Cash. So you guys can tell the market has been sustained right here around $250. That is where the initial warning was shot into the market for those looking for this cryptocurrency to continue to go up. So anything outside or under $250 we need to be careful of. This line that I'm going to create is going to be real important for the market participants who are buyers. Okay, now we've been trending down into the market in Bitcoin Cash. Y'all can visually see this. So there is some weakness entering into the market in Bitcoin Cash, which is why I'm wanting to point out to you where the important levels will be for the buyers. Okay, now let me go ahead and clean this up because I've been in this market for a while in Bitcoin Cash, and we want to make sure that we're looking at area that's more applicable to where the price is. So the market is up there around $269, so we didn't need those bottom areas in Bitcoin Cash. Now obviously I will say since June the 30th, what do you think the trend is? Is the market in Bitcoin Cash still trending higher, or is the market trending to the downside? So let's go ahead and create that too. Here it is. We're trending down into the market in Bitcoin Cash. So right now, that is a descending triangle. Which of these two lines do you think it's going to break? Because eventually it will. One of them will break. Here's Bitcoin Cash on the 2-day chart. Do you see any new information here? What about on the 3-day? I think you guys can see a little bit more information right here on the 3-day chart because we got this indicator of weakness right there, which is indicative of market selling, which brings us back into the point of how important $250 is going to be in the market for Bitcoin Cash. $250. Now, currently on this current 3-day price bar, we're still seeing interest. People are still in the market in Bitcoin Cash buying up here around $269. Let's look at Bitcoin Cash on the 5-day chart. Do you see anything different here? Again, another indicator of weakness was created into the market in Bitcoin Cash. So I think we got the gist of what price activity has been going on. The majority of the price activity has been going on in Bitcoin Cash up here from 250 all the way up there to 325. Okay. So I think we need to break this down on an hourly chart to try to figure out if the buyers are entering the market right now in Bitcoin Cash. So let me hit this on a 13-hour chart real quick. This is where the initial stage of buyers enter the market. Now this was a good stand for the buyers, but the moment that the market in Bitcoin Cash went up on the next 13 hours, that is where more sellers entered in. Take a look. This is where the market closed off the highs. And we also got the volume to back that move. Charts don't lie. This is selling. Price has done what since that time? Well, it's been going down. So now the moment of opportunity is in the court of the buyers. The buyers need to come back in and hold 250. They're currently trying to do it right now. You can see it on a 13-hour chart. And let's look at this on the 9-hour chart real quick. Okay, so we're even seeing a little bit higher of support in the market in Bitcoin Cash right here. So that's good as well. Okay, so in the near term, we may actually see price in Bitcoin Cash go up. We may actually see that. Let's look at this on 330-minute chart. Yeah, we may see the market in Bitcoin Cash run up to around 275, 280. That would be the next hurdle, the next successive battle that the buyers will have to overcome. So when we see a particular market like this in Bitcoin Cash where we don't have a definitive way of knowing which side of the market is winning, we don't touch the market. We find another opportunity that's in our favor. And currently we can tell that this market just simply trying to figure out, okay, which side of the market really wants it the most. Okay. So I would say in the next 12 hours and 55 minutes, I think there's still opportunity for Bitcoin Cash to go higher. But looking at from what we've been through already in terms of the weakness and the up fake bars that we've seen on the different time frames, we just need to be a little bit more cautious as to how high we look for the price to go. 275, 280. Because all in all, I don't see price in Bitcoin Cash being that strong. Not right now. Okay. So what I'm going to do, we're going to go ahead and place some weakness in the market in Bitcoin Cash. Now, I'm here to tell you right now, be prepared for price to go up. Initially, in the first couple hours, maybe a day or two, the market in Bitcoin Cash definitely is exhibiting some emphasis that the buyers are still there. But from the other time frames, i.e. the 3-day where we saw that up fake bar there, the 5-day time frame where we saw the weakness there, I'm looking for this prediction to play out in that time, 3 to 5 days. Okay, so now, like I said, I'm not going to be massively bearish though, because I do recognize buyers are in the market around 270. So my first target is going to be around 250. That is 7.09% there for Bitcoin Cash. My second target is going to be down here around 225, which is 16.36. I'm just going to do those two targets right now. And as we continue to see, if the market continues to be bullish, then I will have to come back and get rid of this price prediction and look for a price in Bitcoin Cash to go higher. Okay, so I'm through. This is what I'm looking forward to in terms of looking at warning signs for the buyers, those who are looking for price to continue to go higher. They definitely had to keep their eyes open on that 250 price, which I will. So give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.